All right, I'm leaving now. It's getting dark outside, but it looks dramatically different in here. They've done a great job. It looks fantastic. The crew have been in here working their asses off. These rooms look so cute. So make sure I turn all the lamps off. So we're pricing everything, staging and pricing. We stage logically, as we like to say, you know, bathroom things in the bathroom. However, there are some coats on there. You know, sometimes there's just not enough room to put everything. This is kind of like the kids' room. Mirror and matching headboard there. Then we've also got games and puzzles and toys, and it's a bit of a mix, but mainly a toy room, kids' room. And then that's the basement. I'll go down there, take these flags. We've got the old chairlift here, so it's at the bottom, so it's a good site, plenty of room. You've got tools, light bulbs for bloody months, cleaning supplies, and you know, the usual candles, and fill a bag, $5. Tools are in there too. She had them in these little totes. I like that. So that's the basement. Kitchen is kind of that's going to be checkout area, staging area. I just put this little ensemble together here, this kind of think of it for men, ideas for men. Kitchen has changed dramatically since we came in here. There's that rainbow clock, I love that. And then the dining room. There's the Wedgwood. This is the Johnson Brothers. Isn't it pretty? That's Blue Ridge Pottery. Look at these gorgeous pieces. And this is the Guild. This is kind of the beginning of the intaglio. Actually, this isn't the Guild. What am I talking about? This is the Guild. These are the ones before the woman who started it, Anne Kennedy. We've got a whole cobalt blue Fiesta ware set. And a Haviland set. And then we have the screen porch. We've got wicker and kitchen and crockery and look at this tiki set. Tiki bar ware. I'm tired, I can't even think straight. I'm bloody starving too. And there's the copper. And this is the lounge. Bar cart. Got 3 lamps on the organ here. There's that fabulous organ shaped lamp. Look at that cute lamp. MCM nesting tables. Got some games on here. We've got the marble game, chess and checkers, board, some pieces there. and artwork, which I'm just pricing. Stick that on there. These frosted Asian design glasses, aren't they cool? All right, I'm gonna go. Oh, and then this is the hallway, the fabulous, the tulip brass floor lamps. The sideboard. And the pots on there. Look at this dragon planter. Isn't he fabulous? Look at inside. And then here, like the people. I just think he's so cool. Need to stick an orchid in him. Put this next to the swan. And then this is all local art. This is all Lynchburg local art. Karen Bowden, Myrna 9, Rodney Lawn, of course, and Natalie Hepner. So I think that's pretty cool. All right, I'm going. Cheers, guys. See you Saturday, 10 a.m.